Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Suzanne, and over the last 10 plus years, I've been working with and continue to work with many educators who teach investing skills and strategies. And I've met all sorts of personalities in that time. And what I've learned is how to pull out some nuggets of wisdom and get to the core of what they teach. So today I'm going to be asking AJ Brown, the president and founder of Trading Trainer, a juicy question, and let's see if I can pull out some great advice for our listeners and viewers. Hi, AJ, welcome.
Hey, thanks for having me back, Suzanne.
Yeah, I'm glad you're here. So before we get into the question I want to ask you, I just wanted to take a moment and say that you have some fantastic initiatives going on at Trading Trainer. And I found one of them particularly valuable, and it's your white papers, where you cover everything from scenario testing to diagonal spreads. Can you tell our listeners a little bit about those papers and how they can get their hands on them?
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm going to actually share my screen here.
Perfect.
The scoop is these white papers are free to anybody. They're papers that have been published in trading technical journals, and anybody can grab them, and they can grab them right on our website. All you have to do is get for yourself a free access to our web portal. So I'll show you how to do that. What you want to do is you want to visit tradingtrainer.com. You can just go up to a web browser and just type in trading, Trading, Trainer.com, and you'll come to our main homepage here. And you'll notice that we have some banners that go by. And you could either be patient and allow them to go by on their own, or there's these little arrows to the left and to the right of them, as you can see with my cursor here. So I'm going to fast forward, and you'll see that there's one that says white papers. And what you want to do is when that white papers banner comes up, click on the download the white papers button, and it'll bring you to a web page that has a little short video tutorial on how to get a free account and grab the white papers. So just follow that little tutorial, get yourself a free account, and as a bonus, we've got all sorts of things that we're adding to our web portal for our complimentary users above and beyond the white papers. So go ahead right now and just visit our tradingtrainer.com site and get yourself a free account to our web portal and grab those white papers.
Thank you, AJ. Thanks for giving us the rundown on how to get those. It's really valuable, so I encourage everybody to go do that. But first, I want them to listen to the question we're going to ask, so let's get into that. My question for you today is, why do you trade options as opposed to other markets?
Well, it starts off with what is an option. So an option is a derivative. And a lot of people have heard the word derivative, especially over the last years. But derivatives, with their expiration dates and the investment vehicles that fall into the category of derivatives are options and futures. The options, the way that they're traded is using standardized contracts, which means I don't have to go bring in an attorney in order to write these options for us. They're standardized contracts, which means they become a standardized investment vehicle that we can invest in. What I like about options is their flexibility. So with a stock, you can do one of two things. You can buy it and then hope it goes up and sell it. That's called going long. Or if you've got it set up with your broker, you can borrow one of their stock shares, sell it, hope it goes down in price, buy it back at a lower price, and give it back to your broker. That's called going short. So you can do one of two things, go long or go short. And that only works if the market is, or if the individual stock is going up or going down. It's making what we call a directional move. With options, you have so many other variables. You can make money on the underlying symbol going up. You can make money on the underlying symbol going down. Or you can make money on the underlying symbol going sideways, because as it goes sideways, time passes by. Time is a variable on options that you can actually profit on. We do that a lot here at Trading Trainer. It's called selling premium. You can sell the option, and then knowing that it winds up expiring worthless, this premium component of the option price always expires worthless. You could actually make money on just having time pass by, even if the underlying symbol is just going sideways. And last but not least, one of the most exciting ways to make money on the option is the buying and selling pressure on the option itself. It's called implied volatilities. And we can make money on whether people want to buy the option, not just if they want to buy the underlying stock. So there's 27, last I counted, different strategies that we can use with options to make money, whether it goes up, down, sideways, time passes by, or people are just excited about buying and selling the actual individual options. With all that flexibility, you can pretty much hand me any pattern in any underlying symbol, and I can find a way to make profit from it on that particular day. I don't have to wait for it to be steadily trending up or steadily trending down. It opens up my doors in order to profit in any situation. And so that's the flexibility. That's what a derivative allows me to do, and that's why I'm attracted to options.
Well, you make a very strong argument for trading options. I mean, that's very attractive. 27 different strategies to profit
Versus
is really
two.
appealing.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Quite a difference. Well, thank you, AJ. Thank you for giving us that explanation. And I hope that explanation helps people understand why options trading could be a way for them to profit and could be a good investment tool for them. Well, the next time, actually, before we wrap up here, can you just give our listeners one more chance to find out how they can get the white papers, review that for us, and then we'll wrap up.
Absolutely. So I'm going to share my screen again, and I just want people to know that they can go to tradingtrainer.com. That's our main website. That's TradingTrainer.com. And when you go to tradingtrainer.com, there'll be these banner pages going across the front here. And you should see when you move your cursor over the banner pages that these little arrows pop up on the right and the left-hand side of your screen. Just scroll over to the one that says get your free white papers, click on the button, and there'll be very clear instructions on how to get yourself a free account to get those white papers, and also all the other bonuses. That web portal, we have created it chocked full of all sorts of bonuses for people who get their free account. Get those white papers and get yourself educated about options. Options are the way to go.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, AJ, and thank you for being on again. The next time we talk, I'll be asking AJ what first attracted him to trading. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot, AJ.
Thank you, Suzanne.